Dreaming of the ultimate tropical adventure? Welcome to the Philippines, where island hopping means paradise after paradise. In this guide, we'll take you across El Nido, Coron, Cebu, and more, with tips on boats, budgets, where to stay, and how to plan the perfect island hopping trip. Let's get you ready for a trip you'll never forget. With over 7,000 islands, the Philippines is a haven for tropical lovers. Crystal clear lagoons, hidden beaches, coral reefs, and limestone cliffs. It's a dream for beach lovers, drone photographers, divers, and everyone in between. Best for budget-friendly paradise, friendly locals, English widely spoken, and great infrastructure for tourists. Plan between November and May. It's dry season. For the best island hopping weather, aim for January to April. Avoid the typhoon season, which is from July to October, if you want smooth sailing. As of 2025, many nationalities can enter the Philippines visa-free for up to 30 days. Check your eligibility via link in video description. You'll need a passport valid for 6 or more months, a return or onward ticket, proof of accommodation, and travel insurance is highly recommended. For best coverage, get a local SIM card at the airport. Globe and Smart are top providers. You can get 20 to 30 gigabytes for around $10. Or, get an eSIM via apps like Aralo or Holafly. And if you're traveling with a group, pocket Wi-Fi is also available. Here's how to enter island hopping heaven. Fly into Manila or Cebu. From there, you can fly to El Nido via AirSwift or to Coron through Busuanga Airport. Cebu is a hub for both domestic and international flights. Pro tip: book local flights early. They fill fast during peak months. Here's your island hopping blueprint. In Palawan, visit El Nido, a paradise known for its stunning beaches, crystal clear waters, and dramatic limestone cliffs. And Coron, famous for their lagoons, karst cliffs, and blue holes. Coron is also a haven for divers, offering some of the best underwater experiences in the Philippines. Tour A and C in El Nido are must-do island tours. These tours will take you to hidden lagoons, secret beaches, and vibrant coral reefs. In Coron, don't miss Kayangan Lake, Barracuda Lake, and Twin Lagoon. Each of these spots offers unique experiences, from crystal clear lakes to mysterious underwater caves. Over in Cebu and the surrounding islands, check out Mole Bowl for the sardine run and turtles. The sardine run is a spectacular natural phenomenon, and swimming with the turtles is an unforgettable experience. In Bohol, explore the Chocolate Hills and Panglao beaches. The Chocolate Hills are a geological wonder, and Panglao offers some of the best beach experiences in the region. And if you're up for it, head to Malapascua for thresher sharks. This island is one of the few places in the world where you can dive with these magnificent creatures and stunning white sand beaches. Malapascua is not just about diving. Its pristine beaches are perfect for relaxation and soaking up the sun. Most hotels or hostels offer island tour bookings, or you can use trusted sites like Klook, Get Your Guide, or local operators at ports. Expect small boats, also known as bankas, with lunch included. You can choose between shared or private options. Here are top stays based on your travel style. Whether you're a budget traveler or looking for luxury, the Philippines has something for everyone. For budget options under $40 per night, in El Nido, you have Spin Hostel and Friends Hostel. These hostels offer a vibrant atmosphere, perfect for meeting fellow travelers and sharing stories. In Coron, there's Hop Hostel and Seahorse Guest House. Both provide comfortable stays with essential amenities, ensuring you have a pleasant experience without breaking the bank. And in Cebu, Mad Monkey Hostel and Chiefs Hostel are great choices. These hostels are known for their friendly staff and convenient locations, making it easy to explore the city. For luxury stays ranging from $150 to $500 per night, in El Nido there's Pangasinan Island Resort. This resort offers stunning views, private villas, and top-notch services, perfect for a lavish getaway. In Coron, you can enjoy Two Seasons Coron Island. This resort provides a serene environment with luxurious amenities, ideal for relaxation and rejuvenation. And in Cebu, there's Shangri-La Mactan and Crimson Resort. Both resorts offer exquisite dining options, spa services, and beautiful beachfront views, ensuring a memorable stay. Book on Booking.com or Agoda for the best deals. These platforms provide a wide range of options, user reviews, and competitive prices, making it easy to find the perfect accommodation for your trip. Must-try Filipino dishes include lechon, which is roasted whole pig sinigang, a tamarind soup kinilaw, which is Filipino ceviche tocino, a sweet pork breakfast, and halo-halo, a wild mix of dessert heaven. These dishes are best enjoyed with a cold San Miguel or fresh buko, which is coconut juice. Want to experience real local vibes? The Philippines is a treasure trove of vibrant festivals that offer a deep dive into its rich culture and traditions. Plan around these festivals. Sinulog Festival in Cebu happens in January. This grand celebration is one of the most famous in the country. You'll see colorful street parades, dancing, and cultural shows. The streets come alive with vibrant costumes and rhythmic music. It celebrates Santo Niño, the child Jesus. This religious aspect adds a unique spiritual dimension to the festivities. Then there's the Ati-Atihan Festival in Kalibo, Aklan, also in January. This festival is known for its energetic and lively atmosphere. It features street dances, tribal body paint, and drums. Participants paint their faces and bodies in black and dance to the beat of drums. It's often called the Filipino Mardi Gras. The festival's energy and enthusiasm are contagious, drawing visitors from all over. In May, check out the Pahiyas Festival in Lucban, where homes are decorated with rice harvests, food, and vibrant colors. This festival is a feast for the eyes and a celebration of the bountiful harvest. Don't forget these essentials: a dry bag or waterproof phone case, reef-safe sunscreen snorkel gear, or you can rent locally, a power bank, flip-flops, and water shoes, a lightweight rain jacket, a travel towel, and copies of your passport and travel insurance. And hey, respect marine life. No touching corals or sea turtles. Filipinos are warm and welcoming. A smile goes a long way. Here are some do's and don'ts to keep in mind. Do greet with a smile, ask before taking photos of locals, and respect church attire and customs. On the flip side, don't litter on beaches and avoid bringing or using single-use plastic, as some areas ban it. Ready for the island-hopping trip of your life? The Philippines is waiting, and it's more beautiful than you imagined. If this guide helped, give it a like, subscribe to Let's Travel Vibes, and let us know your dream island in the comments below.